Hey guys, I'm Connor with the Flip Hut. I'm here with Dixie Belle Paint Company today. Suzanne and her team invited me down. We found out we were neighbors and we're only like an hour away, so I'm spending the day with them testing out their new wood bleach product. So let's go inside and check it out.
Hey y'all, I am Suzanne with Dixie Belle Paint, and we have a special guest with us today. We are so excited. This is...
I am Connor. I run the Flip Hut over on all my socials, and I am a furniture and DIY flipper lover.
Yes.
And I got invited by the wonderful Suzanne at Dixie Belle, and I'm so excited to be here. We found out
Today we are sharing Dixie Belle's new wood bleach product with Connor, and we're going to show you how to use it.
so excited.
So part A is the first part. Makes sense. So we're just going to pour that into a bowl right here.
And I've never used furniture bleach before. I feel like there is like a trend coming back of, instead of painting furniture, people like raw wood again. So when Suzanne told me about her bleaching product, I'm so excited because I feel like this is like the trend that's coming back to give raw wood love again.
We do have actually a lot of people asking for this,
Yeah,
so we're excited to introduce it.
Yeah.
So then we're going to take this over to the piece and we are going to apply part A. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to saturate the cloth, but I do want to mention that this has already been sanded down and all of the top, all of the varnish and everything on top has been removed. It has to be used on raw wood. If it's not used on raw wood, it's not going to work. So that's why this is already prepared. So why don't you put that in the bowl and saturate it and squeeze it out.
I'll just saturate part A. I said, this is my first time bleaching wood.
You're going to do great.
I know, I'm kind of nervous.
Well, you're going to see
Such a new technique.
It's fun. You're going to see the color of the wood really change.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and now show everybody, look at the pad.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh.
So that's kind of pulling the tannins up already.
You really could see, look how dark it gets too.
Yes. Okay, now we are at part B. We've waited about 7 minutes. We are going to pour that into this bowl, or Connor is.
Wait till you guys see what it pulled up on there. It's crazy. The tannins are just like bleeding out of it already.
It's so cool. Perfect.
Awesome.
So look at those tannins.
It's crazy. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, wipe it over, saturate the sponge first.
Correct.
This is just that part B, right?
Yes.
And we're just gonna do the same thing that we did with part A and make sure everything's nice and covered. But this is crazy, like looking at the difference from the before to now. But it really is like the most simple application. I always thought wood bleaching was kind of a complicated process, but this is so simple.
It's very easy. And
look at that too, all of them coming out.
It's so cool. And so basically, now you're done. Now you just wait for it to dry.
So easy.
It's so easy.
Actually, so easy.
It really
That's
is.
insane.
So then when it dries like this, you would take just a 220 grit sanding sponge or whatever, kind of close the grain down because it will raise.
Yeah.
And then you can either use Big Mama's butter, how do you do hemp oil, any kind of sealer, or you can stain it, whatever you want.
I'm telling you, I've used that, the voodoo stain.
the voodoo.
I love that color too. It's like the best.
Tobacco Road is a huge seller. It's a
Yeah.
great color.
It's awesome, like
it's a good neutral.
Yes,
it is.
yes.
It goes with everything.
Yeah, it was such a simple process, like I said before. I thought wood bleaching was like really difficult. I didn't know it was this easy, and I feel like their product makes it even more self-explanatory than it already is. So I'm so impressed by the finish of from this to this. That makes it so easy. So definitely check it out. Thank you for having me today. I had so much fun.
I am so glad you could come. It was so wonderful to meet you in person.
Me
You're just as
too.
great in
Thanks.
person as
Thank
you are on
thank
camera.
You. Thanks.
And I can't wait to see what
Me
you do
too.
with this.
Oh my
It'll
gosh.
be great.
Awesome.
Thanks everybody for joining us.
See you guys.